It's the dog version of Doctor Who.
Huh? I don't get it.
It's the dog version of Doctor Who.
Huh? I don't get it.
Greetings, fellow Michael Tubers. It's my cousin again. We watched a movie.
Hey guys, I'm back!
Today I will be reviewing the movie, don't judge me, Dog's Purpose.
That's an old movie.
How's that old? That recently came out. But it was
Yeah,
beaten.
why are you doing it all of a sudden? First it's Fuller House and now it's Dog's Purpose. What the heck?
Yeah, I'm taking this.
Don't touch my cookies. You have your own. Go get them.
Alright, Dog's Purpose is basically a dog version of Doctor Who. He dies and regenerate. He dies and regenerate. You know the plot. Live, die, repeat. Then, what are you doing?
I'm eating. Don't judge me.
But it's not a bad film. It's not a bad film. I have some gripes about it. Yeah, it's a bad film, but not that bad.
Hammer mode.
Huh?
The hammer mode.
Nice. What do you think about the movie?
Dog's Purpose?
Yeah.
It's really sad, but like it's really good.
Yeah, let's start off with the highs first. I think the highs are that you can feel for the human or the dog mostly. He's done very well. His voice is with.
Yeah, why couldn't a human
Who's
die
his voice?
instead of the dogs? That
What's
would be
his-
fine.
What's
I
his?
don't know. Don't ask me that in the middle of a video.
What? Did you just say human dying is very much funner?
No, I think you're dead. No.
What? Alright,
Yeah,
Pudding
I
Girl.
think they should. I think they should.
It's a kid's movie. Alright, I think the dog.
That takes the bomb. Shut up.
I think the dog voices is very good. I love the dog. It makes you emotional. I just say I almost
I cried when the dog got shot.
Me too. But this movie's really good. I think the dog scenes are really good. Now for the bad scenes.
Oh boy.
Alright, I can start off this first. They take it too dark and serious. Well, they brainwashed it like it was Batman v Superman suddenly.
On your face.
Dark and gritty. I'm like, this is a kid's film, people. Don't take it so serious. I don't like when movies takes things so serious. When it's an action film. Have a little fun. It should be fun and lighthearted, like a kid's film. Sure, there's some humor in it, but not that much humor in it.
It's fun, but it's just like
It takes
very
itself
sad.
so serious, you think?
Yeah, like them get splitting up and then
Yeah.
the dad leaving and everything.
You're here to see a dog in a kid's film. And another gripe. I want to know what year it is. It switches back and forth years. And I want to know what year it is, don't you? Like, it time jumps 3 times in this movie, am I right? 3 times.
Oh, like 4 actually.
4 times. I want to know what year it is. And one didn't tell me which year it is, but yeah. I think they tried their best. It's a kid's film. I felt for dog scenes, not the humans. The humans acting was okay. There are problems with it, but overall, it's a good movie, and I wish it wasn't that boring and more of fun.
It's not boring. Like I cried, but it was a good movie.
It's
because
emotional.
Listen. I like how they put like real life experience. It's just like, oh, happiness. It's like real life. Like it's a dog's purpose in life. And life isn't all happy. Life is like messy sometimes and complicated, and it's real life.
It takes itself too serious. It's a kid's film. That's what I have to say about it. I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. 7.5.
I'm gonna give it a 9. I like it, so shut up.
9 out of 10, 7 out of 10 is, hey, it's your Pudding Girl. It's your...
I like pudding.
Is that pudding?
It's frosting, dummy.
Is you sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to just give it a score. It's your opinion. It's my opinion. That's what I think about it. But thank you for joining me again, Amber.
Yay.
It's the last time you're joining me for the rest of your life.
Yeah, sure. You're gonna make me do another review sometime.
Until the sequel. Wait, this is sequel, third installment. But thank you again for joining me, Amber.
Huh?
Thank you again for joining me.
Thanks.
High five.
Had fun, I guess.
But that's all for this time. Enjoy this review.
Bye, guys.
Please leave a like, leave a comment, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Ah! Get the dog in here.
Did you stop doing